Hello guys, clear to te in the vine se bake book vek cheu mi puite kan lo him zok nan complete lockdown nei me kan ni a kan he to em in a rin oma ma se iti chang ila kan mun chewa changa kan en mai thei turin kan chian ten mun shanga changa hla in ron thlan khom te kha hlir ho na hun kan nei don ani ole ama sabera chuan la thlang tu hi lel ro sanga ani hi chan mari west aizol omani a ala thlan hi blowing in the wind by Bob Dylan a thlan chan hi it's about humanity atini ole next kan thlang tu hi Lalngaihzuali Fanai luang mual zo nuam aizol ani a ala thlan du hi ilama atang Lalpa Vanlalsailova a thlan chan chu kan lama atang Lalpa malampan ro ti vel atia a thlan sak du te chu to all ring tu tuk le din forma hun mang zong te tan ati ani a chale mai tuna Vanlalsailova ilama atang Lalpa ti ilo thlir awang u
malampan nin kakal zel thong kan ne ngeyan ti in sum la in fui la chat nai nei khashia la zama ta che ilang ma atang lalpa
next kan han kal mo menga next ala thlang tu hi Jerome Lalremruata aizol venglai ani ala thlan du hi si Lalrinmawia sak di Chambawihpui ti khani a thlan chan chu asatu hi a o apa in azai thiam adini azai thiam kho mai si Lalrinmawia tuna ilongai thlang Moving on, we have our brother Tage Lampung, originally from Zero, but born and brought up in Naharlagun, Arunachal Pradesh. The song that he picked is movie Lootera, Zinda. And the reason why he picked this song is it's motivating. Anything motivating makes into my list. Okay, well said, brother. Adut le ala thlang tu hi Lalrintluangi song thu nursery aizol ani ala thlan du chu Nitin Lalpa Joseph Zaihmingthanga sak adu chan aron tarlan te chu ala thu hi kdu vel veka hela ka ngai thlak apiang hian Nitin a kan thil ti le chongkama pathian kan mamo zia minshia chian tir tu hla ani ve a baka mizo mi pa azai thiam ka ti ber ani boka smartphone kaman ma high school kan kalai achanga ka alarm ring tona kalman ve char bok ani e kalome atini ole Joseph Zaihmingthanga Nitin Lalpa ti ilo thlirawang u
Nitin Lalpa itnera om katu kati kasoi ngai tua le kadu thana som te ira le ifelna ne in revi
la thlang tu hi kan chanhem le a chuwang chuanin hankal ta zung mai la ado ta thlang tu hi Mr. Thangma mamit atla thlan chu omlo ta la ke Hminga achan thliar kar wak vaiten longmi an ngayanga adi angai zia asoite amoi kati a tin adi tello chuan manlai thalak lui rong nei lo anga hring nun rong a chuai tur zia asoite hi ka zia ani se kati ve du milria wa ti ni ril he mai omlo ta la ke Hminga tuna ilongai thlang
Your God of high, lonely and wild. Oh,
te kan chan em kan ti to kha Mizoram chung mai ni lovin Mizoram po na kan chan ten aron thlang ve na se em a. So next we have Mr. Awandi Anderson Kangabam from Imphal, Manipur. The song that he picked is Kodama by Alcest. Why? Because it's a perfect musical representation of East meets West, and Kodama meaning spirit of the forest. The song basically talks about the conflict that we see between nature and fast-moving civilization. The whole album is based on the Japanese movie Princess Mononoke. Sorry, it's a quite lengthy explanation. Alright, yeah, it's quite clear. Adot lea kan hlasang tu hi Lalramdinpuia Ralte Tanshil Mizoram Alhadu ber zona kan zoa channa chu heti hian Hladu ber hanti chat tur chuan ahla zirle mamo huna zirin ain anglo thayanga mase Christian labu number somsari pakhatna Ropui ber Halleluiah hi mi in min zo chuan kalhadu ber te zinga ka soi vezia ani atine adu chante chu heti hian soya apwa tu hian apwa thiam ema changtin thu hi acha em vek maya achatna pia lama hian apwa tu creativity hi asang ka tiboka big takin changlin a hian lel iswa min chandam tura he khovel alo piana cross a thia chu a thina awanga ama ring tu ten nunna lel lukhum le vanram thlenga kan chan ve theina te hi aro puin chungzong songchu kim taka chang khata a hanrem khom thiam shim te hi a thiam thlota pathian hi faklak ani a faktur po kan ni a hela chang tin mai po hian Lalpa kan fakna chan tur soya ma se chuti chung chuan Lalpa hi fakzo sen hi ani chuang lawani ma se ring tu te chuan Lalpa hi fak mol tur kan ni a he khovel kan chu asan huna apo ama fakna pok hi kan thil ti chun zom tur chu ani reng don bok ani atini adu chandang le pakhat chu heti hian soya aphwa tu hiralte ani a chu wang chuan kangai sang shim ama la mulo ma ila atini Ralte hi chuan Ralte hi kan ngai sang thei shima Mr. Ardia la thlang tu po hi miril MMA ni atuna adu chan aron soi te po kha miril tan lo chuan soi fia thiam po ani lawanga Ropui ani ala thlan tuna Christian lambu number somsari pakhatna Ropui ber Halleluiah ilongai thlang o
Min shiro tu Ropui ram Keletin an sidong le Vanlalmuanpuii song Eten le salem karne
kan hal zung mai nga nek sa thlang tu Vanlalmuanpuii chaltlang salem veng aizol hian a thlan chu for king and country God only knows adu chan chu mang an lai le she om lai chan pui var tu hnai ama chau hi ani ti ka sha thar le pha chin atia mi zo te hi zai ngei na nam kan ni a hlai hian mi maltin ne na a tho dan hi a sang chawa tuna kan thlang tu point amang an lai le a she om lai a pathian nei tir tu ani ati atu na mi po hi heta chang po hianin kan hlapwa tu te lo hlut sia kha ashiat ya next we have Miss Rose Lotha from Dimapur, Nagaland. The song that she picked is Older by Sasha, Sloan. Why? I love this song firstly because it's soulful, secondly I could deeply relate with the lyrics. Okay, it's quite soulful and you have a good taste, Miss Rose. Adot lia hlasang tu hi John lelun sang apatsuaw chan mari aizol ani alathan hi Under the Bridge Red Hot Chili Peppers adu chan. It's a song relatable for anyone who have felt loneliness or been down that road before. Aron ti a chiang viau mea hlasang tu hi mi lonely ve thei tak ani arin oma. Next we have Miss Tongsin Kamla from Dimapur, Nagaland. The song that she picked is Vulnerable by Selena Gomez. Why? because after listening to it, I was just thinking that being vulnerable isn't weakness at all. I think if people could love us even with the dark side within us, then those are the people really meant to be in our lives. That's my perspective of this song. So yeah, I love it. Can't express my emotions into words, but hope this will do. Okay, well said, Miss Akam. And I like how you describe being vulnerable isn't weakness at all. Adut le a thlang tur hi ram tiam sangi te te I chan mari aizol ani la thlan chu Christina Perri a thousand years thlan chan Christina lau hi chu ka du deuh vek kul deuh deuh lampang hi ka ngai na chuan ala thu hian enge mowangin min hne thina lampang ni lovin ngai zong lama ngai to khan ka du ve top ni mai kalome ati ni lakul ngay na tan chuan a thousand years si anal mea next a hianin Lalrintluanga tete a chan mari west aizol ana thlan chu this town by Sasha Sloan a thlan chan chu tunlai chu a music hi cool kati aga du ve top atini. Now moving on to the next, we have Kadirisi Namdo Mr. Albert from Dimapur, Nagaland. The song that he picked is Intention by Justin Bieber. Reason. This song gave me the meaning and the reason to see a woman I love the most, my girlfriend, how to love and whom to prioritize fully. Also the lyrics opened my eyes and taught me the meaning of real love. I don't know how to express actually, but feel down whenever I listen this song. It motivates me to be sincerely honest in love towards her. By this song reminds me a lot of her. Kan ti deu mo menga atuna next la thlang le tur hi Lalrintluangi Khwangleng Mizoram ala thlan chu pink try ani reason relationship vel I ma in kan eng ti na apo where there is desire there is gonna be a flame and someone's bound to get burned, but that doesn't mean we're gonna die. Just gotta get up and try ti lai vel kha ka du chan atia achale me la hian min khoi dan hi adang dang hian min khoi chin ti to kha tuna po omte I in pink adu chan aron choi chang takin aron tar langa adut le a kan kalanga vanel chan chu atui kwal aizol ala thlan hi The Scientist by Coldplay adu chan chu cover pakhan anal ema YouTube ami aron ti deuh top mai ni la an thana anon ziadan ang hian kan share chhuak top mai china ka kha in lo she thiam don nya ni e original song hi nal kan ti lo po hi chen ka tin nal taka anon cover hian kan du pha china chu chu tu na thlang tu point aron thlan chan kha akok berani. Next we have Mr. Akaito Kiba from Zinhebato, Nagaland. Favorite songs. Well, one of my favorite songs ever would be The Best of Times by Dream Theater. The reasons. Maybe it's because the song is deep and inspirational. I get goosebumps every time I listen to it. Well, I hope all the viewers will get goosebumps listening to this song. Moving on, we have Miss Temsa Sangla from Kohima, Nagaland. Favorite song is Memories by Maroon 5. The reasons. I just like this song, no particular reason. Okay, then. Adodli a kan la thlang tu hi Lalngaihzuali Fanai aizol ani. Ala thlan chu Adele one and only ti kha ani a adu chana chuan nalti ti deuh top mai ni. The next one we have Miss Sentiment Sanglir from Dimapur, Nagaland. Favorite song is Jaded by Aerosmith. The reasons is she loves the intro, the drum beat. Moving on, we have Professor J. Langkamar from Dimapur, Nagaland. Favorite song is Saturday Night Live by Bee Gees. The reasons. Because it brings back such happy memories of me and my school friends dancing the jive, etc. Also ABBA music for the same reason. We were a gang of 6 girls and we call ourselves the Bananas. We are still tight. Alright. This reminds me of my gang of 6 girls, and we also call ourselves the Bahamas. Next, we have Miss Honli Yanlam from Kohima, Nagaland. Favorite song is Killing Me Softly. Reasons: I like this song because of its unique music and tune. Like, I can just listen to it and feel like a drunk person. Good vibe. Atotlia kan lathang tu hi CH lelfak omi eden thar aizol ani alathandu su Christian labu za somnga pali na lungai ni le lomlai ni a hian tikhania athan chan chu kan lungai laite lom laite beidon laite sheom laite etik lai po inlal iswa hi kan ta na omrenga min kalsan ngai lova min ngai sak reng thin ani he lai hian min thamwan thin atini chale mai tuna Christian labu za somnga palina lungai ni le lomlai ni a hian tikha ilawngai thachun zom le photang
lungai ni le lomlai ni a hian lalli suan min ngai sa ngai em boy na ten min chim ka ko nga
Next, we have Miss Leba Chonyo Solo from Kohima, Nagaland. The favorite song is Bless the Telephone. The reasons: it's an old song, beautifully composed, but it's a low-key song many that aren't aware of. Please spread the gospel. Next, akan nathang tu hi Andrew Lalthom Liana from Longtlai, Mizoram ane lathandu hi God Only Knows by For King and Country feat Dolly Parton. Athan, because God only knows me inside out. Avatsiang ve. Pathian hian kan chung le kan pon en kim han min she fai vek ani. Next, we have Miss Kwezo Senyo Kiki from Kohima, Nagaland. Favorite song is No Longer Slaves by Jonathan and Melissa. Reason: it has helped me overcome my sickness. And I believe and pray that this song be a blessing to my mates as they listen and overcome their problems, whatever it may be. Well, we hope that it will overcome their problems as well. Moving on, we have Mr. Kawafa Kape from Peg, Nagaland. Favorite song is Somebody to Love by Queens. The reasons: his vocal power just too good, an emotional song too. Finally, we have come to an end for tonight. The last song picker is Mr. Nangkamar Lemter from Dimapur, Nagaland. Favorite song is I Wanna Be Yours by Arctic Monkeys. Reasons: why? Cause they are Arctic Monkeys. Well, maybe he's a fan of Arctic Monkeys. Ole tunakhan part 1 azauta a atop tlenga minlo clear sak tu te le lathlang tu zongzong te chunga lom thu kan non soya part 2 hi ti chwale tumani a ai tamjok ala omti kha milo shat sak ula. Thanks for watching, and part 1 has over and part 2 will be coming soon. Stay tuned.